Hi guys and girls, today we're factorising single brackets. Okay, so essentially before now we've looked at expanding brackets and what that looks like, timesing the outside by both inside things. This is rewriting the question from the answer. Okay, so we're trying to put the brackets back in. Now, you start off with 3x plus 15. Okay, and our first job is to think of a times table that has 3 from the first number and 15 in your answers. Okay, so your 1 times table does, but that doesn't really help because 1 times table does everything. 3's not in your 2 times tables answers. You can't go like 2 times 1 gives you 3 because that doesn't work. It's in your 3 times tables. Is 15 in your 3 times tables? Well, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Yes, it is. Okay, 15 is an answer to 3 times 5. So it's an answer in your 3 times tables, and 3 is an answer to 3 times 1. So it's also an answer in your 3 times tables, which means that 3 is a factor on the factor trees of both numbers. Okay, so here, once we've worked that out, we've got to divide both parts by that number and rewrite with the brackets. Okay, so I'll show you what that looks like because that's a little bit of a skill. Okay, the first thing you do is draw brackets. Okay, the next thing you do is you chuck your 3 outside like you saw with the last question. Okay, 3 is the number that we're factorising by because it's a factor of both 3 and 15. Okay, so we put the 3 outside, and then we divide 3x by 3, and we get x. We divide 15 by 3, and we get 5. And that's our answer. So I'll just make the brackets a little bit neater and closer. Okay, you've got x outside of 3 plus 5, and that's my answer. That's factorised. The top one is the expanded form that we worked to last time, and then the bottom one we just did is the factorised form. Okay, now just to show you why it works, we've got 3 outside of x plus 5. Okay, if I was just to expand that, I get 3 times x, which is 3x, and 3 times 5, which is 15. Okay, so just like I taught you with the expanding stuff, you can expand 3x plus 5 and get, you can expand 3 outside of x plus 5 and get 3x plus 15, or you can factorise 3x plus 15 and get 3 outside of x plus 5. It's like zipping and unzipping in zipper. It's pretty much timesing with algebra to get the expanded form, and then dividing the question to get, dividing the answer to get back to the question. Okay, and that was factorising with single brackets. Okay, give it some practice. Hopefully you'll get it right. Bye guys and girls.